conventions, various conventions of civil aviation. What do you think the convention? Anybody? When there is a problem that needs to be addressed, right? If we have a problem that needs to be addressed. The same way, whenever there is a problem that arises in aviation that needs to be addressed, addressed in a proper way, right? But you should need a regulatory body or someone to address the issue, correct? If you want someone to address the issue in aviation, who could it be? See, if you have any problem in the college, say for example, you are studying in Remo college and you have a problem in a college that needs to be addressed. You have a set of rules and regulations. Say for example, you need to come here by 8:45. If you're not here by 8:45, you'll not be allowed access inside the campus, right? The same way, rules and regulations is framed by the management of the college. In aviation, there should be someone to form the rules and regulations, right? Who could it be? ICAO. Really? What do you mean by ICAO? International Civil Aviation Organization. Who formed the base to, when did the ICAO came into existence? After 1947, year of independence. 44. Before independence. The convention is basically the analyzing a problem and finding out a solution. See, Indian aviation is there, international aviation is there, but there is no one to formulate form rules and regulations which can be followed. So, in order to formulate the rules and regulations, they formed a convention called in Chicago, and which can give certain rules and regulations. Say, for example, after Chicago Convention, the formation of ICAO took place. In the year of 1947. Chicago Convention was formed in the year 1944. So, now there is someone to regulate aviation, that is ICAO. After the formation of ICAO, what would happen? There were many issues. Say for example, when the aircraft is in ground, there are many entities who can come into picture. When there is any problem in the airport, there will be many entities that come into picture such as BCom, your BCas and everything. But when it is in flight, what do you mean by in flight? When the aircraft's external doors are closed, it is in in-flight position. When an aircraft is in in-flight position, there should be someone to give powers who can take decision. In that position, no, the BCas cannot come into picture. DGCA cannot come into picture. The airline security or CISF cannot come into picture. The only one person who can take the decision when there is a problem could be someone, right? Who will I give the authority to when the aircraft is in in-flight position? So, I am giving a power to the pilot in command. After which convention? Tokyo Convention, right? Right is it? Tokyo Convention. It is formed in the year 1980. Okay. Now the ICAO is formed and we have framed someone to give powers. The pilot in command has been given to power. Say for example, what kind of power can be given to the pilot in command? When there is an unruly passenger on board, when someone is not, cooperating for the rules and regulations that have been formed by the aviation, then he will be called as an unruly passenger. The unruly passenger can, he could be of any kind of unruly. Say for example, he might abuse the crew, he might abuse the passenger, he might have drunk on board. There could be any reason. If there is an unruly passenger on board, the pilot in command has all the authority to land the aircraft by communicating to the ATC. He can immediately land the aircraft in any of the nearby airport, and he can disembark the passenger, and the passenger can be handed over to the CISF. Later, the FAR will be put on the particular passenger, and he will be handed over to the state police. Is that clear? So, after Chicago Convention, the outcome was formation of ICAO. After Tokyo Convention, the outcome was the power was given to the pilot in command. What is the next convention? Montreal Convention. When there is an explosive on board, obviously the aircraft will blast away. To blast the entire aircraft, we just need 2 kilograms of explosive. So we have to understand the seriousness of the sabotage. That is why screening is being taken